Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have an absolutely amazing router from ASUS. This is the ROG Rapture GT BE19000 and it has some amazing specs which we're gonna go through in a second. It supports Wi-Fi 7, which is obviously one of the latest Wi-Fi technologies out there. I already have motherboard from ASUS that supports Wi-Fi 7 and I can't wait to test the Wi-Fi speeds out. So in terms of specs and features, we have some in the front right here. So 2.6 gigahertz quad core CPU, which is absolutely insane for a router, dual 10 gig ports, game acceleration, AI mesh, and subscription free network security. Of course, it comes with ASUS Aura RGB. You can change the RGB, absolutely great. If we have a look on the back of the router right here, smart AI mesh, all game devices, one connection, so basically combines all the features of all the gaming features into one single SSID. USB 1 port, as I said, AI detection on one inputs, quad 2.5 gigabits a second ports, dual 10 gig ports. It has a dedicated gaming port and the subscription free network security. If we have a look on the side right here, supports Windows 11, Mac, IPv6 support, 3 years of warranty, and this is the I/O in the back. We have two 10 gig quad, 2.5 gig, one 1 gig, and one USB 3.0 and one USB 2.0. That USB 3.0, I think it allows the router to plug in a Wi-Fi dongle, like a 4G or a 5G dongle, so you can have Wi-Fi on the go. The data rate, the operating frequency, obviously it's a 3-band, so we have 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz and 6 gigahertz bands, absolutely great. 256 megabytes of flash and 2 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. The specs are absolutely insane. I can't wait to test it out, but for now let's go ahead and open the box. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're gonna set it up. I'm gonna show you guys how everything looks like. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have a quite handful of stuff, so of course, as always, we will start with the small stuff first. So we have some cards here on the top. We have a VIP member warranty notice, we have a quick setup guide, and as always I suggest you guys give this a read so you can understand what this router can do, how to set it up, and how to use it to its max potential, get the best out of it, because obviously that's why you paid for it. We also have a CE statement and safety notices, and inside we have a sticker with simplified PSTI statement of compliance. They have also included some cool ROG stickers, so they're really cool. You can stick them on the case, on your router, on your desk, anywhere you want to stick them, on your laptop. They're really cool, different sizes as well. I already have some on my PC because I had ROG products in the past, and they're really great. They have this metallic finish to it. And right here, in terms of accessories, we have a European adapter, we have a UK adapter for the power supply. This is the power supply right here. Obviously that adapter will slide right in, and with this you plug it into your wall socket and the other end will go into the router. They have also included a braided internet cable. It's ROG branded as well. It looks really good. It has a really nice weight to it, and the quality seems to be really good as well. And of course we have the main unit, which is the router. I have already folded the antennas. The antennas can fold in different directions. You can also stretch them just like so. So if you want to have them like this, it already looks like a spider, to be honest. It's just such a cool design. We have a transparent plastic right here. We can see the heat sink on the inside. We have another heat sink right here. We have the ROG logo right here, which has RGB. When we turn it on, I'm gonna show you guys. On the front, we have some LED lights that will indicate what's connected and what's working, WPS button and an LED button. I think that's to change the RGB. If we have a look in terms of the AI connectivity, sorry about that, we will see that we have the 4 2.5 gig ports right here with a 10 gig reset button. On the other side we have 1 gig LAN 5, and we have the LAN 6 which says 10 gigs gaming port. So that's the port you want to plug your main PC in. We also have a on and off switch right here. This is the socket for the power supply. We have a USB 2.0 and a USB 3.0, and pretty much that's it. The back of it, it's really simple. It has this rubber feet, so once you place it on your desk, it's got a nice weight to it, so I'm trying to be careful not to scratch or break anything. Once you place it somewhere, it won't move because of those rubber feet. It will stay in one place. I think it looks absolutely amazing. I never seen a router look this good. I can't wait to turn it on and test it out. It's gonna be great. And yeah, pretty much that's it in terms of accessories. So let's go ahead now and plug it in, and after that we're gonna put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so the router is fully set up. It's massive, so I had to put it behind my monitor, basically at the edge of my desk. I have everything plugged in. The ports are absolutely amazing, very sturdy. Everything just feels super high quality. I love the RGB. You can customize the RGB if you go to the router's main interface. And here you have some features. So on the router's main interface on the web, you have some features. One of my favorite feature probably being the game boost and game acceleration. So if you enable this, you can go to QoS, and depending on what you're doing, you can enable certain types of traffic, I guess. So you have games, you have media and live streaming, web surfing, learn from home, work from home, and customize. So I set mine to media and live streaming because sometimes I do some live streaming. It works absolutely great. Another function I really use, it's the AI mesh function right here, because I have another ASUS router with AI mesh. So as you can see, the GT BE19000, it's in the office, 12 clients connected to it, and I have the RTAX 57 with AI mesh in the kitchen. They both work wirelessly, so that one is not even plugged into the internet. It just has a connection between this one and itself, and all the clients in my kitchen and next to my living room are connected to that one. It's absolutely amazing. And also we have other features here, for example Alexa skill. So if you go to Alexa skill, you can connect Alexa to it, and you have some commands right here. For example, ask my router to turn on guest network, ask my router to upgrade firmware, ask my router to pause the internet, and you can get even more skills. It's just voice enabled, absolutely great. You have a lot of functions: AI protection, malicious site blocking, two-way IPS, infected device protection and blocking, no events, game radar. You will test pings for wherever you are. So it's sending some pings to this IP. So in US 62, in Europe 3 milliseconds, because obviously I'm in Europe, and in Korea it's 303 milliseconds. That's for Diablo 3. You can check your games, and then you will know which server you want to connect to. Obviously, the lower the ping, the better. And yeah, pretty much that's it. RGB is absolutely amazing, quality is great. I have network literally all over my house, especially with the AI mesh. You can connect as many AI mesh routers as you want to it, and pretty much that's it. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.